how to open chats on Snapchat without them adding you back. This tutorial shows you how to start a conversation with anyone on Snapchat, even if they haven't added you on your Android device. First, open the Snapchat app on your Android device. After that, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen and type in the username of the person you want to chat with. From there, tap on their profile from the search results to open it. At this point, tap on Add to send them a friend request. In the next step, tap on Snap to open the camera and take a quick photo. It doesn't have to be anything specific, just a random snap to open the conversation. Following this, tap Send to deliver the snap to them. Once done, the chat will now be open between you and that person, even though they haven't added you back yet. From here, tap on the chat to open it, and you'll be able to see the conversation thread. At this stage, if you don't want them to see what you sent, simply tap and hold on the snap you sent and select Delete to remove it from the chat. Finally, the chat will remain open with a cleared conversation history, so it appears as a fresh, empty chat between you and that person. And that's it. If this Snapchat guide helped you open a chat without needing them to add you back, give it a like, subscribe for more Snapchat tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.